Trade relations between the U.S. and China continue to be tenuous, and farmers are still waiting for the Phase 1 purchases to kick in. Farmers hope China doesn't end the trade deal and steps up buying soon, as that demand is the best hope for recovery in U.S. ag markets hurt by the pandemic.
It would be great to be able to have another 50 cents or $1 on the price of our beans right now so that we could price the production that's coming down the line.
China has bought roughly $10 billion, far shy of their $36.5 billion commitment due to the market conditions clause in the deal and COVID-19.
If the agreement gets done a half a year late or 3/4 of a year late, but yet still is in play, you can't really fault them a lot for that.
He says China needs U.S. ag goods, especially soybeans, as they rebuild their swine herd.
Hopefully the African swine fever is waning now, so our market will pick up.
And sales from China would benefit the whole economy. This Heartland Consumer Report is sponsored by South Dakota soybean farmers and their soybean checkoff.